Okay guys, so let's talk about how you can make your first $1 online, like the fastest $1 you can possibly make online if you've not made any one yet. And also we're going to be sharing with you possible strategies you can adopt to avoid getting disqualified for some tasks that you may be given on these platforms. So if you've not made any $1, make sure to watch this video to the end. So we're going to be starting up with a website that allows you to do simple tasks like taking surveys. And this website is a UK based company, but they are available in most places around the world. So wherever you are, you can access this website and you'll be finding things like survey to do on the website. They ask you about yourself and they seek for your opinion. They get some data from you to be able to enhance some products and their third-party services so that they can be able to do well in their businesses. So that is basically what this website does, and they don't have threshold. That is the best part about this website. Like, you don't need to reach a particular threshold to be able to withdraw your money. Once you have a paid survey to do on this website, once you're done, they are paying you that amount that is stated on that survey for you to do. So you don't need to get $5 to be able to withdraw your money. No, and they are paying you this instantly. So you might want to check this website out. The name of the website is citizenme.com. I'm going to leave the link to every website I'm going to mention in this video in the comment section where you can easily find them and apply. So you might want to check that out. Remember, you must be above 13 years old and you must have a PayPal account, because you'll be linking your PayPal account to this website to be able to get your payment made instantly. Now, the second website is one that I have done personally. For signing up, you're going to be getting 50 points. Like they have their rewards in points. Once you get 10,000 points, you get $1, and the payment threshold for this website is $1, and they're going to pay you instantly once you have gotten to that threshold. Now, you may think 10,000 points are much. They are quite much, but you have varieties of surveys to do on this website. You also have opportunities to watch videos and do other minor tasks that you may find on this website to be able to meet up to that point. So if you're able to dedicate 2 hours in a day, you'll be able to get to this threshold and you're going to be withdrawing your instant $1 from this website once you have completed the tasks on the website. So the name of the website is enably.com. You might want to also check that out. So the next website is one that will pay you to do things like searching the web, shopping, watching videos and taking surveys. This website is one that the payment threshold also is $1, and their payment style is instant. They pay you via varieties of ways, which could be PayPal or gift card or any other means that they may stipulate there on the website that you may find comfortable with, in terms of your payment. So these are the things you're going to be finding on this website, and it's available in most places around the world. So you might want to check it out. The name of the website is instagc.com. You might want to check it out so you can start up earning money immediately. So now that we have 3 websites done, before we complete the other 3, I want to take this opportunity to ask you to like this video, subscribe to our channel so that you get updates from me once I publish any video on this channel. And I really want to appreciate those of you that keep supporting us by liking, commenting and subscribing to our channel. We are really very, very grateful. So let's talk about something that is very important. If you're someone that is used to making money via these simple tasks or macro tasks online, you will see that, especially surveys, they are always disqualifying people from surveys. And I will tell you why. Most of the reason is because we fail to understand the things that are expected of us to do on these survey sites, and then we waste our time, filling up some surveys, because they will ask you to fill up some pre-surveys before you do the main survey that they will pay you for. So what you have to do is, most of these survey sites, they have different interests where they get surveys from. It could be that one particular survey may be interested in cosmetic products. They want to get people's opinion from that cosmetic product, or in engineering material, all this kind of stuff. So you have to, first of all, make your research about the survey site you want to sign up to make sure that their interests align with something you have the knowledge about, like something you can say something about, because most times they will test your honesty, so you can't lie to them on this website. So once you have done that, it will save you the time of filling out and then getting disqualified in the end. So you have to make sure that before you sign up with any survey site, you must have done your research to know what the type of questions you should expect from there and the type of interest they have on the website. Now, second thing you need to do is you have to make sure that you're honest. What it means is that you have to make sure that every answer you gave from the survey, like the pre-interview, like survey like interview you do before you are given the real survey to do, you make sure that there is consistency in all your answers. So you can't be saying you are female in this particular answer, and the next time they are bringing such question, you're telling them you are male. No, it's a red flag for them, so they will disqualify you. So make sure you put these things in order before doing your survey on this site. So that being said, let's go over to the next website. So the next website is one that I have done myself as well, and this particular website will pay you for just signing up to the website. Like they're going to pay you like I think 20 cents for just signing up to the website, and then you have varieties of tasks to do. And the good thing about this website is they are giving you the monetary equivalent to that task that you want to do on the website, so you'll be able to know. So take for instance, if you qualify to do a task that is like 15 minutes long and the payment is $3, you see you're going to be making $3 in 15 minutes by just doing some of these micro tasks on this website. So but you have to qualify for the task before you'll be able to do them. So things like watching videos, taking surveys especially, are the things you find on this website, and then you do them and then you get paid. So what you have to do is you have to sign up to this website, and they pay you, the payment threshold is just $1. Once you get to $1, you withdraw your money. They pay you via PayPal or gift card, any way you want to receive your money. It's available. The website is available globally, so you might want to check it out. The name of the website is superpayme.com. Also, I'm going to leave the link to all these websites in the comment section. So the next website is one that is globally. Like if you go to the website, you see that they say they are global. Like you can access them from anywhere in the world, and you'll find micro tasks like surveys to do on this website. But the payment threshold for this particular website is $5. It's quite big compared to others, but they will give you constant survey like to do on the website, and the payment is instant, so you don't need to wait or anything. So the name of the website is Survey Time. You might want to check it out and then start up, doing your surveys with them. So let's talk about my favorite survey site. Now, this is my favorite because, like I said earlier, for just signing up, you're going to receive $1 to sign up. And aside from receiving $1, the payment is instant. Like once you finish the task on the website, you're going to be receiving your payment, and the threshold is $1. Another thing you need to know that is that they have contests on the website where you can earn $1,000 or 20 cash prizes that are available on the website, and then you earn, it's passively, like it's not something that you would do actively. So this is the benefit of this website, and most times they process your payment within 4 hours to be able to receive your payment on this website, and they will give you tasks like survey and all those micro tasks that you can find there, and then you do them and get your payment immediately once they have finished the processing. So you might want to check it out. It's quite cool. They have a lot of ways you can earn aside from the survey. So the name of this website is Offer Nation. Please don't fail to tell me which of these websites you're going to be trying in the comment section, and if you've earned from any of the websites I've mentioned, let us also know in the comment section, or even share your strategy so that others can learn from you. Please don't fail to like and subscribe to this channel. If you're looking for daily work from home jobs that pay you from wherever you are and allows you to work whenever you want, do check out this video and check out other videos on my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.